Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about functions of cell membrane, cytoplasm and cytoplasmic streaming. Functions of cell membrane or plasma membrane. Cell membrane or plasma membrane is considered as selectively permeable membrane. Passage of substances across biomembranes occur by following methods. The very first one, passive transport. It involves following methods: diffusion, osmosis, and facilitated diffusion. Cell membrane or plasma membrane is selectively permeable membrane. It helps in passive transport through diffusion, osmosis, and facilitated diffusion. Cell membrane or plasma membrane also performs active transport. In this method, the movement of substances occur against their concentration gradient by consuming ATP, adenosine triphosphate. It can be done by sodium and potassium ion exchange pump. Bulk transport, it takes place by two methods: endocytosis and exocytosis. Active transport, the transport which occurred by consuming ATP, generally sodium and potassium ions exchange. Cell membrane also performs bulk transport, which is taken place by two methods: endocytosis and exocytosis. Endocytosis, the inward transport of material by means of carrier vesicles, is called endocytosis. Endocytosis again classified into two types. The first one, pinocytosis or potocytosis or cell drinking. Intake of fluid substances by plasma lemma in the form of vesicles or pinosome is called pinocytosis. Intake of fluid substances by plasma lemma of the cell in the form of vesicles or pinosomes is called pinocytosis. Second one, phagocytosis, which is also called cell eating. Intake of solid food substances by plasma lemma or plasma membrane of cell in the form of vesicles, phagosome, is called phagocytosis. Exocytosis, which is also called cell vomiting or amniocytosis. It is reverse of endocytosis, in which waste materials are removed from the cell. It involves a reverse pinocytosis. Exocytosis is also called cell vomiting or amniocytosis because it is a reverse of endocytosis or a reverse of pinocytosis. Points of remember: very first one, microvilli, finger like projections of plasma membrane that increase surface area of cells for absorption is called microvilli. In plasma membrane, finger like projections which helps in the increasing of surface area of cells and helps in absorption are called microvilli. Second one, mesosomes. These are infoldings of cell membrane in gram positive bacteria which helps in respiration, septum formation, separation, and replication of DNA. The infoldings of cell membrane in gram positive bacteria which helps in respiration, septum formation, separation of replicated DNA are called mesosomes. Next one, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm lies between the nucleus and cell membrane. The term cytoplasm coined by the scientist Strasburger in the year 1882. Cytoplasm is two parts. Number one, cytosol or hyaloplasm or ground plasm. The liquid part of cytoplasm except cell organelles are called cytosol or hyaloplasm or ground plasm. Second one, cytoplasmic matrix or plasma gel or plasmazole. It can exist in sol and gel state called plasmosol and plasma gel. Plasma gel present towards periphery called ectoplast and plasma sol is internal called endoplast. Cytoplasmic matrix is made up of crystallo-colloidal solution, which means true solution plus colloidal solution. Functions of cytoplasm. Matrix provides raw material to organelles for their functioning. Organelles change their material through cytoplasmic matrix. Product of cell organelles are passed out into matrix. Matrix synthesizes various substances like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, nucleotides, etc. Various processes occur in cytoplasmic matrix like glycolysis, pentose pathway, and anaerobic respiration. It is always in motion to circulate the material inside the cell. Next topic, cytoplasmic streaming. It is also called as protoplasmic streaming or cyclosis. Cytoplasmic streaming occurs in eukaryotic cells only. Cytoplasmic streaming is of two types. One is rotation, another one is circulation. The very first one, rotation. Cytoplasmic matrix continuously moves in one direction around large central vacuole is called rotation. Example, leaves of hydrilla. Circulation. Cytoplasmic matrix moves in different directions around the different vacuoles of the cell. Example, staminal hair of Tradescantia plant. Functions of cytoplasmic streaming. Cytoplasmic streaming helps in movement of organelles such as chloroplast in relation to light intensity. Cytoplasmic streaming helps in the distribution of various substances and food vacuoles in amoeba. Cytoplasmic streaming helps in the formation of pseudopodia in amoeba and in repair of membrane and in heat distribution. Trophoplasm. It involves cell organelles and cell inclusions. Cytoplasmic streaming helps in the movement of cell organelles in the cell, distribution of various substances and food vacuoles in amoeba. Cytoplasmic streaming helps in the formation of pseudopodia in amoeba and also helps in repair of membrane and in heat distribution. Cytoplasmic streaming also helps in trophoplasm, which involves cell organelles and cell inclusions. Up to here, the functions of cell membrane, cytoplasm and cytoplasmic streaming were completed. In next video, I will explain you another cell organelle in eukaryotic cell. Thank you.